Yo, check it. The tardigrades on the road.
Welcome to the Gonzo Book. I am Jose. Shelly's downstairs. And today I got another package from, guess where? The Cubicle.com. Let's see what we got today. Alright. Ooh. Nice, yes. I got my 2x2. It looks cool. And I never had a 2x2 before. Let's check it out. What's that noise? My microphone's down here, and this is. Something don't feel right on here. Now, when I got this, the box was already ripped, so this might have been a return, and I just got screwed maybe. Not sure if why would my box be ripped like that. I mean, it wasn't a very expensive one, but I like the colors to it. It shouldn't be making that noise. But I'll test it out. So right now I'm kind of disappointed on that one. And that was my first ever 2x2. Was not impressed. Here's my mystery cube. They gave me a 4x4. Ooh, this is not a... This is one of those weird cubes. See that? I didn't want anything too weird, so I'm a little disappointed with this one too. Actually, it looks like a nice cube though. It feels nice. But yeah, when I saw the orange, I was like, oh yeah, 4x4. I don't like the weird cubes. I just don't like it. What I'm going to do is put it in a box and just leave it in there. Alright, I got two things and two things. Alright, let's see. What is this? This is the Cubicle Black Friday edition. Black Friday edition. This one's nice. I like that. And I got my blindfold. Nice. It's small. It's too small for my head. And I can still see, somebody could be cheating right here, look. And I think that happened before. These are like kid ones. I'm not a kid, Cubicle. That's too small. I don't like it. Luckily, I only need it for one thing. But if I was doing blind cubes, this wouldn't be no good because you can see too much light. You want something that covers your face so they know you're not cheating. This is too small. Cubicle, is this for kids? I might have to send some stuff back. I might send this back. I might send this this cube back, and I said I don't want any like special stupid cubes. Give me a regular 4x4. And then this thing, that's the first thing I saw, and I said, oh, maybe somebody was. Here you go, look. There's something messed up in there. Where's my, yeah. So three out of the 4 so far. And I'm gonna return this, man. These are for kids. They're not for adults. You gotta put in there for kids. Unless you have 2 sizes. Alright. This is what I was waiting on anyway. Let me get the proper name for it. The X-Men Tornado V4M 3x3 Pioneer UV. Alright, I'm gonna take a quick break, throw my trash away, and I'll be right back.
1 hour later.
I'm back. Alright, so far I opened up 4 things, and the fifth thing is my X-Man Tornado V4M 3x3 Pioneer UV stickerless. For those of you who like boxes, that might be my thumbnail. Alright, it give you a card. Let me put my glasses on, I can't see. They give you a card. All cubes pretty much have, unless it's a cheapy one, have these cards. And they kind of all look alike. Like they go to the same company. It's kind of weird. Let's check out the accessory box first. Nice. Alright, this is to adjust the magnets on the edges and on the corners. And it's a nice tool. Let's check out this guy. Oh, it's a nice bag. It's cool. Definitely only fits 1 cube in there. It's a very nice bag. And it has the logo on it. Cool. Good cleaning cloth. C5 algorithm tables. You get one of those. This X-Men Tornado V4 has a very nice adjustable system because you don't need a tool. These are for the magnets. But to adjust the tension, it has a built-in. You just have to flip it up. It has like a little handle to it. So I'm looking forward to seeing that. And they have a very nice. This side is Chinese, and this side is all English. So this is very good directions. I like it. And it looks very nice. Looks very nice. Brooks method. So if you're interested in that, they gave you a little pamphlet. You can get all this stuff online too. That is the case. I think it's together by magnets. Yeah. It's a nice case. That is the V4 Pioneer UV X-Men Tornado V4. Let's see how it turns. I don't know if I like it or not. It feels different. Ooh, look at that. It has the corner magnet. They're only in the center corners. If you look at the other You only have the one. Those are the ones you adjust. Yeah, see that? Alright, I don't give you anything to open up the center. Maybe you have to do this. Yeah. I had to twist it to try to get my finger in there. But if you have it tight, that's going to be hard to do. They have it. I like it because they have this color coded. And you flip this handle up like this, which was very easy to do. See that handle right there? And you just twist it. And you hear a click. Do you guys hear that? Let me see. So yeah, I like this a lot. Now this handle is plastic, so it can't be too rough with it, because if it breaks, you could probably still change it, but. And their cap is not hard to get on, but you have to get all of them off. It's a little difficult, because I have to do this, put my thumb in there, and then kind of. And it's not coming out. A lot of people were saying this was like the best one, but is there an easier way to get that off? Or am I just stupid? I don't know. I think once I lube it, I think it'd feel nice. And the Eternals are a little bit boring. It is white. Yeah, I'm not thrilled with this either. But you can't get the cap off so easily. You got to twist. And then, I got the white one off again. I'm trying to let's get this green one off. Let's see. Yeah, I got it off, but I don't like when it snaps like that, because what if it falls, you step on it, you break it. I'm not feeling it. No, it's just my opinion, of course. I don't even like the way I like the UV, but I don't like the way it kind of feels. The way it turns, how's that? I might get used to it. I'll probably have to tighten it up for my taste. You know what, let me tighten it up. I'm going to read this thing and then tighten it up and see how it is. Oh, I almost missed this. White cap. They give you a white center cap, so you can take, when you're doing blinds, I think, at the competition, you can't have a logo in it because they think you can feel it. Like this one is UV coated. I won't be able to feel that. But to be spare for the whole board, they just say you got to take it off. So that's why the X-Men Tornado gives you a blank one, which is very nice. So you don't have to go buy one separate. I got to get all these off. A lot of people make fun of the gang, big ass plunger, whatever it's called, and you put it in there and you go, and then it comes off. Let me show you how I'm doing it. I'm just taking a corner, because it's a flat edge. Taking the flat edge so you won't scratch it, and it goes. See, I don't want to damage it. I just scratched it. Why isn't this coming off? I might do this one. There you go. Let's see what I did to it. Yeah, I took some of the UV color. Sons of you can't really feel it because it's on the edge, but I don't like it. I mean, to do that, it's screwy. Yeah, you gotta stick your finger in there. That's what it is. I'm not even gonna use that tool anymore because you put it at an angle. You go in there and just pull it out. But I don't like how that is. All right. Ah, there it goes. There's a notch on here. I gotta put it on the notch. 4 and 5. So I got it on 5 for the axis distance. And then I want to go this way to go to 5. Yep, 4 and 5. So I gotta do it with all of them.
A few moments later.
Alright, got them all in there. Alright, it's not so loosey-goosey. That's good. Let me see if I still like it. Or do I like it? I don't see what all the hype's about. Like I said, I'm not an expert cuber. I'm just going by what I like. I'm going to say no. It's not for me. I like the UV, I like the colors, I like the tension, how the tension is adjusted without a tool. I like this tool to adjust the magnets, but I'm going to say no, I don't like it at all. I don't like it. I don't like it. So I'm going to give this a 4 out of 5. And a low 4, but it's a 4 out of 5. To me, there's nothing really special about it. Like I said, it's my opinion. The X-Men Tornado V4 and the X-Men Tornado V3 got high praises by a lot of people. But like I said, once I lube it, I'll come back and not in this video, but some other videos and say, hey, I like it more. So that's what happens sometimes. If I was doing my tier list, it'd probably be a C. They won't make it up to the A, not compared to my other. So what I'm gonna do now is get on to request a refund and just return these 3 items. I like the mat. This mat I like. So I got a couple of things I'm returning. So that particular mail call was a little disappointing. So, alright, so without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
2 hours later.
Welcome. Same day. Just have an update. I wrote the Cubicle.com about giving me what do I do for a refund and all that good stuff. And I wrote down exactly what was wrong with some of the products. And they are giving me a credit, which I wanted. That's what I wanted, a credit of $17. So that was nice of them. So I appreciate it. But they gave me a $17 credit. They gave me the number, so next time I order something, I can use that credit. And that was a pretty good deal. It was very smooth, and I appreciate it. So without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.